Join me for a quick tour of the inside cabin, number 7412 aboard Symphony of the Seas. This stateroom is an inside cabin at the front of the ship on deck 7. As you can see, it's a fairly good sized stateroom, perfect for 2 people who are trying to save a little bit of money while traveling together. There is a lot of storage in these rooms. Each of these cabinets have plenty of space. This one is shelves with the safe in there. There's also a drawer underneath. And then there's a lovely couch here for relaxing on and taking a break from the day. That can also be turned into a bed if you have a kid with you. So it's also good for 3 people. And then this one is for all of your hanging items with a stand in there to hold your suitcase. Going over to the vanity, this is a good size space we were able to work on here. Underneath you have your cooler, which is not a refrigerator. You will need to ask if you need refrigeration, but it is good for keeping things cool, but not cold unless you have a lot of ice packs with you. There's also more drawers over here with the hair dryer, plenty of space to keep things and put your clothes away or your accessories. And then of course the mirror lights up, so you have plenty of light to do your makeup. Moving into the bathroom, it's pretty standard for an Oasis class ship. You've got your shower with your 3-in-1 complimentary soap, as well as the shaving bar, your toilet, plenty of shelves next to the sink. There's also hooks on the back of the door for hanging up any items like a hanging toiletry bag. And then there are shelves underneath for more storage, as well as your trash can. All in all, this room is really great for its size, perfect for 2 people or 3 if you're traveling with a young child. Have you stayed in this room? Tell me what you think.